with you.
Welcome back. Hey, check it out. Today I have something special. I've been craving some po' boys, so guess what? I made a Cajun shrimp po' boy. It's delicious. Remoulade sauce is on it. I know when you check this out, you're gonna love it. Look at this. How could you not like that? How could you not? Let me try a bite. I know I'm gonna get this all over the place, but I'm gonna try it anyway. The tomatoes, oh, it's falling. Oh, here we go. Bear with me. I'm going for it. Mmm. Mmm. Finger looking good. You gotta try this. I gotta eat. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. We have 1.5 teaspoons of salt, about a teaspoon of pepper. We have about 3 tablespoons of Old Bay, okay? We have a 1/2 cup of milk, and we have 3 large eggs. And then we have our shrimp. Now, the shrimp I'm using, they're 31/40 counts. So they're a little smaller than what I would normally use, but it still works, okay, for these purposes. I don't want the shrimp to be too big where you can't get a good bite when you're biting the sandwich, so these work very well. So now what we're going to do is we're going to mix this marinade up for the shrimp. Add our milk. Okay, here goes the milk. Our eggs. Okay. Let's get this mixed up. Beat the eggs in the milk. Now we add the pepper, salt, and of course I'm using coarse kosher salt, and then our Old Bay. Now let's add our shrimp in. Shrimp nice in there. And now this is going to go in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. All right, so now we're going to make our breading, right? That we're going to be putting on the shrimp. The shrimp, they're almost done marinating, so let's go and get the batter. It's real simple, right? Few ingredients. Let's get to it. Let me show you. It's real simple. We have about a tablespoon of granulated onion, about a tablespoon granulated garlic, 1/4 cup of Old Bay, and 2 cups of just all-purpose flour. Let's get this mixed up now. Put the flour in carefully. Put granulated onion in, granulated garlic, our Old Bay, then just mix this up. Give it a nice mix. Now we have seasoned flour. There we go. That's what we want. Now before we fry the shrimp, I have some rolls here. There's some French rolls. Okay, I've opened them up. I'm going to be putting some butter on them. And I'm going to let them brown a little bit in the oven, 400 degrees. Probably about 4 or 5 minutes most likely. Just give them a nice little, crunch to them a little bit, and to toast the butter onto the bread. All right, just gonna take the butter, spread it, put as much or as little as you like. And you can also toast these in the pan too, so you don't have to, stick to the oven. Okay. I'm going to put this in the oven so it can toast. And while that's toasting, we'll start working on our shrimp. Now I'm going to be breading my shrimp in my breader box. Okay, this is the breader box, right? Has a lid, a dredger, and of course, the container to hold your batter. I'll be putting the shrimp on here, putting the batter on it, shaking it up, and it'll be all ready to go. But before we do that, let me go ahead and drain the shrimp. The shrimp has finished marinating. Now we're going to pour it in our colander strainer so we can strain off the excess. Right? Get the excess strained. And now we're going to get our breader box. And we're going to batter our shrimp. Okay, now this is real simple. Just take some of our breading, put it in. Just put a nice little coat on the bottom. That's all we're doing that for. Then we're going to take our shrimp, put it on there. Then we add the rest of our breading. Okay. Put the lid on. Make sure the lid is closed properly. And then we're going to shake it up. So we take it and we're just shaking it. Upside down, right side up, left and right, back and forth. You're just shaking it. And this is going to cover all your protein with your batter. And you can do this with wet batter, dry batter like I'm doing now. And you should be good to go. Let's see what we got. All right, see here. Give it just a little shake. See that? Everything's all nice and battered, or nice and breaded. Ready for the fryer now. So let's get these in the fryer. Now the oil is preheated at 375 degrees. And we're just going to take our shrimp, carefully put them in the oil. All right, so after looking at these, in 2.5 minutes, I'm taking them out. Oh yeah. Alright, let's build these guys here. Take our Remoulade. And if you want the recipe for this, I'll put an iCard up so you can get it. Right, because I've made it before, it's on my channel. You want to put a nice, fair amount on it. You know, don't cheat yourself because this is delicious. Okay, we're gonna put some tomato on it. Put some tomato slices on it. Oh yes. There we go. Now lettuce. I love the shredded lettuce on it. All right, now we're gonna throw some pickles on it. There's a few pickles across the top. All right, just put them on there. Now our shrimp, I want to stack them on there. It's gonna be tough, but we're gonna try to get them on there. Oh yeah. Put the lid on this bad boy, press it down, get this guy on the plate. Put the top on this guy on the plate. Yes. Alright, so here we have it. Our Cajun shrimp po' boy. Oh, it's delicious. The remoulade, the tomatoes, oh my goodness. Hey, if you like this, hey, give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hey, if you're not already subscribed, join the peanut gallery. Hey, hit the subscribe button, click the bell, and if you can, share me out if it's possible. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do that, because I tend to put pictures up to let you know what I got coming up next. That being said, this is Shrashira. I'm about to get my po' boy on.